took it from this angle, you can get a nice shot at how much stuff has come out of the food I'm cooking tonight. So you can see how much actually this tray caught. And this is, I mean, some of this is actually natural juices, but a lot of that could be, you know, bad fat. And so it's kind of good that this thing's kind of like watching out for me. I'm gonna throw my ribeye on now. I'm gonna give this ribeye 2 minutes, just because I know how I like my steaks. I like them rare, and this thing's pretty thin, so relatively speaking. So this thing cooks pretty fast. So 2 minutes should be about right for this ribeye. All right, so it's been 2 minutes. I'm gonna open this up. Look at that. That is perfect. In 2 minutes. Nice medium rare to rare. Now obviously for, you know, for different temps you'd want to go a little longer, but for what the way I like to eat them, 2 minutes and I'm eating a steak, so you really can't argue with that. It's a great product. Let me show you how easy it is to clean it once again. All we gotta do is take our towel, wipe this off, and for, you know, if you look on the top part, there is some grime built up here from the steaks. It's the seasoning that's burned on. So we're just going to turn this off, let it cool off, and then we'll scrub it by hand. I would never put it in the dishwasher, though, because I understand it can warp the plates on these, the ones that are removable plates, and mess them up. So other than that, a little scrubber, a little towel, and you're good.